Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to redraw your Lion token from the Athena app into your Trust Wallet. Firstly, you have to download the Trust Wallet. For me, I already have a Trust Wallet. Secondly, I will drop the contract address of Lion token in the description box. So after this video, you go there and copy it and put it into your Trust Wallet. Let's go into my Trust Wallet right now. I already added the Lion token, but let me show you how I did that. When you open your Trust Wallet, for those of you that just downloaded the app, you have to sign up. But if you already have the app, just copy the contact address I dropped in the description box and go to this up and this home side, this side, tap the cross, the plus, then you tap here, and this network, it's on Ethereum. The Lion token is on Ethereum, so you look for Ethereum. Paste the contract address I'll be dropping in the description box. Paste it, then that's how I imported the see. Then you have to receive, copy, go to your Athena app. When it loads, you on airdrop, then amount max. Let's say wallet. I paste it, the wallet address I copied, then send OTP. Okay, send to my email. Let me go to my email and check. Let me check. Okay, that's it right there. Copy the code, paste it into the app. Okay, confirm. About the OTP is not correct. Okay, Siri is not correct. Okay, let me try this one. Seems up. Paste. Okay, and that's how it's done. So the Lion token will be sent to my wallet whenever they start their distribution. So if you like my video, please subscribe.